In this scenario, I say, hey, for everybody that attends a Livestorm webinar, I'm going to do a branch of logics. So it will be an if-then branch that, depending on what happened on the webinar, so it's what you see right here, there will be an action. So in this if-then branch, I'm saying, if they're participating on the webinar, I'm sending an email and probably a reward. You can connect this to other applications, right? To say there's a magic link or probably like a reward gift that you can connect. We're speaking Livestorm today, but if you connect that with other tech stack that is available on the App Store, there you go. You can just use the option right there. And option number 2, let's imagine that Benoit asked a question right there. I want the sales owner to know and to follow up. So A, if they ask a question, can you please follow up with him and call him accordingly about that topic? You can enroll people into sequences on HubSpot. You can even send notifications to other messaging features that you have. If you're working on Microsoft Teams or Slack, you can connect those and send Slack direct messages to your external sources. And last but not least, you can create new records. And in the scenario, you don't have information about that record, you can enrich that record in HubSpot. Let's imagine that I add Livestorm for the very first time right here in HubSpot. Let's imagine that I'm on my companies. Benoit has attended my webinar, and the company record of Livestorm is created. I'm going to create it live so you can see what will happen on the back end. So this is livestorm.co, sorry. You have a company record that is created after the webinar. And as you can see right here, I have probably like a blank record. I have not much information else about Livestorm. With those automations, you can say to HubSpot, you know what, enrich it automatically. What else can you feel about that record? I can help you with 24 fields: the country, the website, the company keywords, the industry, even the Facebook page that they have. So I'm using, you guys are my victims of today, right, Benoit? But I am enriching the record, I'm doing it live, and there you go. Thanks to the HubSpot automation, you can enrich records, you can enrich companies, thanks to HubSpot AI right there. So these are some of the scenarios that I wanted to share. We could do many other, but bear in mind that the possibilities are very endless right here on those automations.